We've got another caller on the line, though, but let's take that call real quick before we go to our next break. Who do we have? D, you said? D from Alabama. D, how can we help you tonight?
Hi, but you don't have to blow into the breathalyzer at that time, do you?
D, that's a great question. You know, so let me rephrase the question from a legal standpoint from D is, are you required to blow into a breathalyzer?
No, you can't be forced to sit there and blow into a breathalyzer, but there is the penalty of the potential of your license being suspended on the refusal, and you can challenge that too.
Okay. So what is that called in the legal field when you, in the DUI field, when you fail to blow, or you say I don't want to blow into the breathalyzer?
They'll call that a refusal at that time, and then you have an administrative suspension with the Department of Motor Vehicles based on that. And in the criminal realm, they can actually use that refusal as some type of admission of guilt at that time of why you didn't want to sit there and submit to it. Granted, once again, when you're dealing with a breath test machine, it's not completely accurate. Everybody knows when you're dealing with phones and computers, those are electronics, and those things malfunction, don't have problems. And the other problem with a breath test machine, too, for accuracy purposes, is you're trying to get somebody's blood alcohol level, and the only true way to do that is taking somebody's blood. So, but the state or the state agency does not have to take the blood. Correct.
They can rely upon the breathalyzer test.
Right, because you're taking the breath and you're converting that into blood alcohol with the breath alcohol. Now, there are situations where if there's a death involved, then they would be able to actually draw blood.
If they have probable cause to do that.
Correct.
There you go. So D, if you decide to blow, then it's more likely than not going to be admissible, but a lawyer can challenge the admissibility of it. If you don't blow, then you are violating the informed consent law with your driver's license. It's the same in Alabama, Georgia, and Florida. And if you do that, you're subject to an administrative suspension.